Hello everyone, my name is Layla and welcome to my channel. I'm a fine arts student currently studying my second year. I wanted to start YouTube for one reason, which is sharing my artistic journey. I'm not that good, but I will show how I'm going to gradually build my skills, my knowledge and my experience. I honestly wanted to start with a time-lapse video of me painting with a gouache, but unfortunately I found out that most of the gouache paint are dried. So I thought it would be a very good opportunity if I showed people how to reactivate HIMI gouache set, which is the jelly gouache. For that you need a bunch of wooden sticks, and they are so useful since they are thin, and you need many of them, one for each color, and you need a jar of water. Also for me, I found it very useful to use dropper, or what they call it, a disposable pipette, because they you can control how much water you're gonna insert inside the color. But yeah, make sure to insert it inside the jar. But you can use as also water sprayer or something like that. The first step that I did is adding water to the most dried colors, and just wait for them until they are somehow wet a little bit, so it will be more useful to work with. Also there's another thing, rather than using wooden stick, you can use the knife palette, which might be faster because it's metal, but for me it's easier to use wooden sticks since it's very thin and you can control it with many directions, and you can get into the corners. Also, using the wooden stick is very useful for breaking down the big masses or dried masses of the color in its container. You have to keep mixing until you reach the preferred amount of liquidy. For me, I don't like it very liquid nor very hard. I tried to have something between. Some colors tend to take more time than other colors depending on how much dry they are. The process of reactivating colors may take much more than you expected, and that's fine. Just try to enjoy the process of reactivating the colors. For me, I prefer this HIMI gouache set over any other medium, even any other gouache color that I bought before, because of the range of colors that they are provided. Also because of the values of the colors themselves. Also after activating the colors, when you put it on the paper, the colors works pretty well together. I don't know, they remind me of the appearance of oil color, but at the same time using them, it's similar to using acrylic colors for me, just for me, I don't know, but yeah, they are so cool. What is useful when you mix the colors is trying different direction while mixing, either vertical or horizontal, trying zigzag lines, trying random circular motions, and don't forget the corners. Also I could try different motions until like you find that there's no like other masses at the bottom. I finished like most of the colors, like only this white is left. But unfortunately, although like it's very liquidy, like there are some like parts or masses that are still dried. So I wanted to add drop. But yeah, make sure that you're adding water into the container that you want. You could like remove each container by itself, mix it along, then like put it back in its place. We reached the end of the video. I hope that it was useful. And if you have any question or any inquiry, you can like comment below, and I will try my best to answer it. And if you had like used like HIMI gouache before, tell me about your experience, if you like it or not. And I hope you happy new year. Bye.